Volume is something that almost every trader has used in some form or another, but it is quite difficult to understand exactly what volume you should be paying attention to. Here at Fen Labs, we have made it much easier to find the answer to that question. The Relative Volume Index shows you unusual volume patterns on your chart. Here's what each setting does. Historical lookback sets how many bars are used to calculate average volume. Volume threshold marks what counts as high or low volume. Anything above your current threshold times normal is high, and anything below it is considered typical volume patterns. The moving average line smooths out the volume data, while deviation bands show you how volatile the volume is. Turn on gradient colors to see volume strength at a glance. Green for high, red for low. Turning labels on mark extreme volume points, and the stats panel shows you current readings. That's it. Adjust these settings based on your time frame and trading style. If you'd like access to this tool, check the description.